Next question, find the domain, codomain and range of the function f from a to b such that f of x equal to 2 into greatest integer of x, where a is equal to set 1.3, minus 2.6, minus 3.7, 4.8 and b is equal to set 2, minus 4, 6, minus 6, minus 8, 8 and 9.7. So this function will be not familiar for you, so the 2 into greatest integer of x. This is read as greatest integer of x. To find the greatest integer, suppose I have a question to find the greatest integer of 3.1. Okay, so what should I do is I have to draw the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Where will be 3.1 in the number line? 3.1 will be after 3. Okay, so what you have to do is from the left side, you have to take all the integers. Integers are marked like this, minus 3, minus 2. There will be many integers less than minus 3. We are not marking all those. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Till that point we have marked. You have to take all the integers and you have to select the greatest among them. Okay, so 3.1 is marked here and the integers till 3.1 are 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Among those integers, take the greatest integer. So which is the greatest integer? 3. So greatest integer of 3.3, the value will 3.1 will be equal to 3. Then can you say what is the greatest integer of 3.9? Greatest integer of 3.9, what you have to do is 3.9 is nearer to 4, isn't it? This marking. What do you have to do? Find all the integers less than 3.9 and among those integers find the greatest one. So 3.9 will be here and all the integers less than 3.9 is 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. And which is the highest among or the greatest among all those integers which is less than 3.9, that is 3. Okay, suppose I need to find the greatest integer of 0.5. What should I do? I have to mark 0.5. 0.5 is in between 0 and 1. So what you have to do is take all the integers less than 0.5 and among them find the greatest one. Which is the greatest integer less than 0.5? It is 0. Then the next question, which is the greatest integer of 1? 1 means this is the point, isn't it? So including 1 we have to take. So which is the greatest integer less than or equal to 1? It is 1. What is the greatest integer of 4? It will be equal to 4. What is the greatest integer of 5? It will be equal to 5. Then what will be the greatest integer of 6.7? That will be equal to 6. Okay. Again, suppose I want to find the greatest integer of minus 2.1. It's a negative number. That's the only difference. What you have to do is mark negative 2.1 in the number line. 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, minus 3. It goes on like that, isn't it? So minus 2.1 comes in between minus 2 and minus 3. So somewhere here. Okay, nearer to minus 2 but after minus 2 to the left. Okay, so minus 2.1 is here. So we have to find the greatest integer of minus 2.1. So what we will do is we will select all the integers less than minus 2.1 and among them we will find the greatest integer. So which is the greatest integer which is less than minus 2.1? It is minus 3. So we are getting as minus 3. We will take one more example. Suppose I need to find the greatest integer of minus 3.7. Okay, what should I do? On the number line, I should mark minus 3.7. Where will be minus 3.7? To the left of minus 3. Okay, what you have to do is take that point and collect all the integers which is less than minus 3.7 and among them choose the largest one. Which is the largest integer which is less than minus 3.7? It will be minus 4. So the greatest integer will be minus 4. So if you are getting a negative number to find the greatest integer, what you have to do is just subtract negative 1 from the given number, given integer part. Minus 3 is the integer part. Minus 3 minus 1 gives you minus 4. Same way if we want to find minus 5.1, greatest integer of minus 5.1, what you have to do is minus 5 minus 1, which gives you the value minus 6. Okay, this is the case. And here we have to find the domain, codomain and range. So I am drawing the set. That will be the easiest way. So in the first set it is 1.3 minus 2.6. The elements are given in the question itself. Minus 3.7 and 4.8. And in the second set 2, minus 4, 6, minus 6, minus 8, 8 and 9.7 is there. So it is a function as from the first set to the second set. Okay, we have to find the domain, codomain and range. Domain is very clear, which is a domain set A, that is set to 1.3 minus 2.6 minus 3.7 and 4.8. Codomain is also very clear. Codomain will be the second set. 2, set to 2, minus 4, 6, minus 8, 8 and 9.7. Again, the confusion comes in the ranges, and its range is that element of the second set which have the pre-image. So we have to find the image. Then only we can identify which all elements have the pre-image. So 1.3, how is it mapped? The function is defined as f of x equal to 2 into greatest integer of x. Then can you say what is f of 1.3? F of 1.3 by definition it is 2 into greatest integer of 1.3. Isn't it? Greatest integer of 1.3. Can you say 1.3 is a number after 1? This is the point. Okay, so which is the greatest integer among all those integers? It is 1. So 2 into 1 gives you 2. So 1.3 is mapped to 2. Okay, again we have to take the next one, f of minus 2.6. It's a negative, so 2 into, it is defined as 2 into greatest integer of minus 2.6. That is 2 into, it's a negative number. To find the greatest integer, what we can do is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So we are getting minus 6. So minus 2.6 is mapped to minus 6. Okay, the next one is 3.7. F of minus 3.7. By definition it is 2 into greatest integer of minus 3.7. Again it's a negative number. So to find the greatest integer, what you have to do is minus 3 minus 1. So 2 into minus 4, which gives you minus 8. So minus 3.7 is mapped to minus 8. And the last one, f of 4.8. 4.8 is equal to 2 into greatest integer of 4.8. That is 2 into greatest integer of 4.8 means you have to take the integer part, that is 4. 4 into 2 gives you 8. So it is mapped to 8. Then can you now identify which is the range set? Set 2, minus 6, minus 8, 8. So we can write the answer. Domain is equal to set A. No need to write the elements at a set A. Again, codomain is equal to, that is same as the second set which is B. Range, that you have to write the set because all elements are not there. Which all elements are there? 2 because it has a pre-image, minus 6 because it has a pre-image, minus 8 that is having a pre-image, and the last element in the range set is 8. So this is the answer. Domain is A, codomain is B and range is set 2, minus 6, minus 8, 8.